Yeah, what's your special message for JM?
Hello.
Ang layo mo naman.
Birthday. Actually, kahit hindi mo pa birthday, everyday birthday mo. Ano ba? Hindi niyo naman ako sinabihan na may birthday sa akin. Alam mo, thankful ako na hindi tayo nagkakilala sa social media. Nagkakilala tayo sa isang lugar kung saan nandun tayo pareho. At alam ko, sa loob pala ng bahay, sinabi ko naman sa'yo na malayo ang mararating mo. Dahil, pwede umiyak? Lamig. Kasi mabuti kang tao. At nakakaiyak siya ha. Huwag na mag-cruise! Happy birthday! Ayun. Happy birthday! I love you!
Wow, that's really sweet and heartwarming. Narinig niyo mo ba yung 3 words?
Anong sagot?
Wow, such a loving duo. The perfect pair. Once more, congratulations to the newlyweds. I mean, birthday. Alam ko wedding. I usually host wedding. Alam ko wedding. Alright, thank you so much, Bian. Picture, let's have a photo. And now, Kian will lead the toast with that. Would like to invite everybody to grab your glasses.